Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and I hope you guys and gals enjoyed that real quick unboxing, that real quick feature rundown. And now we're going to get into my first impressions with the JLab Go Ear Sport truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Alright, now I am really excited to take a look at these headphones or earbuds. Y'all know I use those words interchangeably because these earbuds are pretty much what I call full feature packed. Alright, full feature packed. And they supposedly have some really great battery life to them as well. Alright, so now in this portion of the video, I'm just going to take everyone through my overall first impressions of the earbuds or headphones, and then we're going to wrap the video up, and you guys and gals stay tuned to my continued coverage for these earbuds or headphones in the coming weeks. Now before we get into the first impressions, I do want to say you will need this companion application right here, the JLab's earbud application. This application is available on iOS, so your Apple App Store, or it is available also on your Google Play Store. And I have already downloaded it on both of my devices. So you can see my iPhone 11 right there, but then again I can show you right here on my Google Pixel 6a. It's right there on my Pixel as well. So this companion application is going to allow you to access all the features for the JLab Go Ear Sport truly wireless earbuds, and it is available on either your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. And I will leave the link for this application down below in the video description. So the video description should be jam-packed with everything you guys and gals should need to get started if this video piques your interest. Alright? Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the first impressions portion of this video. Now, I just wanted everyone to know everything that you're gonna need if you guys and gals decide to pick up these earbuds or headphones. Y'all know I use those words interchangeably. Now, this is not the first set of JLab's earbuds that I've taken a look at, but this is the cheapest set by far, right? And I gotta tell y'all, first impressions of the earbuds, I'm actually really liking these, okay? All I've done since pushing record on this portion of the video is I fully charged the charging case, okay? And then I fully charged the earbuds as well, and then I put everything back in the box so you guys and gals could see the unboxing experience, and then I push record on this portion of the video. That being said, I do have some gripes already about the charging case, this integrated charging cable. Now, I understand why JLab did this, because then you don't have to worry about having a compatible cable or shipping a compatible cable in the box. But I have to say this cable here is super duper short, right? So while I was looking for something to plug into this, because I have fast charging bricks that I use, when I plugged it in, it looked kind of comical because of how short this cable is. Now, I'm not the one to plug things into my computers or laptops or tablets, but I understand that that's how JLabs wants you to charge the case, and that's how they want you to charge up the earbuds if you have to charge them up in the case. So that is my first gripe. I would have liked to have seen a USB Type-C charging port integrated into this charging case, but I understand why JLabs did it like this, okay? That being said, let's get into the first impressions of the earbuds now. Now, these have touch controls. These do not have buttons, okay? These do not have physical clicky buttons. So that's another gripe right there. Y'all know I'm a big fan of the physical clicky buttons. It helps to have that tactile click and feedback as opposed to the touch controls. But hopefully JLabs did a great job and we don't have any issues with the touch controls. But I do like the overall build materials of the earbuds, and I do like the overall look, And I like the fact that they're labeled, so there's no guesswork needed on these. So let's go ahead and try them on now, and let me give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. So let's drop the left in. Okay. Oh yeah, that went right in there. That went right in there. And it's super comfortable too. Now let's go ahead and drop the right in. And you can see it's labeled right there. I don't know how well my camera is picking it up, but it's labeled right there. I like that. So no guesswork. Let me drop this in. Hook it around my ears. Okay, give it a slight twist. And we're in business. And this is super duper comfortable, y'all. I have to tell y'all. And I am getting a good amount of passive noise cancellation because I can barely hear myself talk right now with the earbuds in. Let me do a quick shake test. Oh yeah, these are in and they're not coming out, and they are super duper lightweight and comfortable. So first impressions of the fit, I think the fit on these is really, really good. And I do like the included earbud tips that came on these. Now they gave you a small, a medium, and a large, and they put the large on the earbuds by default, and they put the smalls and the mediums in the box, as I showed y'all in the unboxing portion. But I do think I might stick with the largest, right? Now let me quickly take some samples for y'all. We used the iPhone in the last video. Let's use the Pixel today. So we're gonna take the profiles here so y'all can see how the earbuds look on my head and in my ears. And if your head size is similar to mine, this should give you a good overall idea of how the earbuds are gonna look on your head and in your ears. So here's a nice front profile. Okay, and then let's do a side profile for one side. And let's do the other side. Okay, and let me see how they look. Okay, yep, that looks pretty good actually. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay, so let me show y'all this. Check this out. So here's what they look like from the front. And you can see if we zoom in, you can tell that I have earbuds in, but they are very, very discreet. So that's a nice look. I have to say I like that. I like that a lot, okay? And then here's what one side looks like. Okay, nice, super comfortable and solid fit. Again, I really, really like that. It went on no issues and I didn't have any problems there. So good stuff there. And then here's the other side. Again, more of the same. It contours really nicely to my ears and my head, and it fits super duper nicely. And it's super comfortable. So first impressions of the overall fit, as I said, is really good. Really good indeed. And that gives y'all an overall look as to how the earbuds look, and gives y'all some insight as to how they feel on my head and in my ears. Now let me see how easy they are to take out. Okay, good stuff. They come right out. They come right out. Okay, so that's one. Put that down right there. Take out the other one, and that's two. Put that down right there as well. All right, we're gonna put this down right over here. All right, and this, guys and gals, pretty much does it for my unboxing and first impressions of the JLab Go Air Sport truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now, first impressions, I feel as though these are really good, but I'm going to reserve all judgments for my full review, and you guys and gals stay tuned for the continued coverage, okay? So we are gonna have a fit and sound demo, we are gonna have a microphone test, and everything will culminate in a full review where I go over everything you guys and gals need to know about these earbuds, and I let you guys and gals know if these earbuds are worth picking up and spending your hard-earned money on. With that being said, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices, as well as support the channel by doing so, all of the affiliated buy links as to where you guys and gals can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description. So as the name implies, when you make your purchases using those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliated buy links, in my opinion, are a win-win for everyone. That being said, again, that does it for today's video. Today's video was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. Okay, and I am using my professional studio lights here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. And I hope everyone is staying safe out there. I hope you guys and gals are having a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Man, okay, we're officially testing 3 earbuds and a smartwatch at the same time. So we got a lot of stuff that we're working on now, but it's super duper exciting, and I'm happy to be back to work, producing videos, publishing videos for everyone, getting people those great deals on great tech products and devices. Woo! This is what I love to do, man. I'm happy to be back, man. Let's do this. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. We're out of here. Peace.